All right. So we had seen how merging actually works. Okay, like fast forward merge. Okay, so this is going to be probably our last video in this Git series. Okay, so today we will discuss about the three-way merge. Okay, the cloning and deleting everything we had seen, right? Version control we had seen. Now we have to discuss about three-way merge. So I had already created it. So let's see when we discussed like in part 5 the fast forward merge, it was like, suppose we are kind of creating different version of our project. We are at version 2 as a main branch, then we create version 3, version 4, version 5 as development branch. Okay, but after some time I want that main branch should have the version 4. Okay, main branch should also have the access of version 4. So we do what? We do basically fast forward merge because same branch is extended. Okay, but here what happened, two different branches is created, right? It's like there is one branch, main branch, so main branch is developing on its own. Here main branch is not going ahead, like main branch is having version 2, main branch is not creating anything else. Okay, but in this case main branch is creating its own version, version 2a, version 2b kind of thing, and then development branch is creating version 3 and version 4. So thereafter if I have to merge these two guys, okay, so we have to perform what? Three-way merge. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Okay, so as of now, let's see, we are at which branch? Let's say we are having over here only one branch, which is a main branch. Okay, this main branch is having what? This main branch is having over here. Let's say I'll just access the clone file. Okay, so main branch is having hello world. This is version 4. So we are using what? The cloned repo that we just cloned in last video from the remote repo. Okay, so here we are at version 4, right? Now what we will do, we will create a branch over here. Let's see, git branch. Okay, and what name we can give? We can give any name. Let's say for the front end guys, we are creating a branch front. All right, so git here, it should not be branch, it should be checkout. Okay, checkout. So basically, so we are creating a branch and then we are just moving to that branch, right? So now let's say git branch. So we are at front, right? Now, as we are at the front, it is showing front over here. Now we'll make few changes like version 5. Okay. So front, we created a change version 5. We'll save it. Come over here. We have to put it into a staging area. So git add what dot. Thereafter, we have to commit it. So git commit m. All right. And then we can give over here version 5. Okay, so now it will get committed over here, isn't it? So let's see, I'll just give a space. Okay, so now is it committed? Let's check it out. Git log. Okay, so we have v5. Okay, now I'll do what? I'll make one more change. Let's say 6. I'll save it once again. Okay, and then I'll do what? Again I'll do git add. Okay, and then again I'll do what? Git commit. Okay, this time v6. Okay, so now what we have? Git log. Okay, let me just clear this thing first. Okay, so git log. So what we have up to version 6 in what? In front branch. Okay, front branch is having this thing. Main branch is still having up to version 4. Now we can switch to main branch, right? So git checkout what main. All right, fine. So now we switch to main branch, right? Let's see git log. So when I do git log, I have version 4, right? If you see here again version 4. So let's make it, we already have 5 and 6. Okay, let's say here 4a I am doing. Okay, let's say we are just going for 4a. Okay, save it, right? And thereafter, I'll do what? I will use git add. Okay, and then git commit, right? What? 4a. Okay, version 4a. All right. Let's check the log. Okay, so when we check the log, what we have? It is having 4a. Okay, thereafter, let's see what we do. We will create, we will add one more thing. Let's say 4b and save it. Okay, and then again we'll do what? We'll commit it, right? So we have git add dot isn't it? And then git what? Commit, right? So git commit, okay, version v, okay, and then it's a sorry m, it's a version 4b. All right, everything is working good. Git log, okay, right. So what status right now we have? Okay, it's like we can just I can just draw it over here, right? So let's see, we are having over here one version 1, then version 2, then version 3, then version 4. Okay, this is version 1, version 2, version 3, and then version 4. Okay, now we did what? We had created a development or front end branch, right? Version 5 and version 6. Okay, so this is what our front branch. Okay, and then we have over here what? Version 4a and then version 4b. Okay, so now we have to merge it, right? Now when we have to merge it, we have to use the merge command, right? So let's try to do this thing. Okay, so right now we are at what? We are at 4b. Okay, so what we will do is just use it over here, git merge. Okay, we are at what? Main branch, right? So let's say front. Okay, so will it work? What it is saying, merge conflict. Okay, merge conflict means what? If you go over here, it is saying that you have two things. In your main branch, you have version 4b, okay, and in your front branch, you have version 6, right? So which one you want to use? Okay, here is a current and it is incoming. That means you can accept the current change or you can accept the incoming change. Okay, whichever you accept, according to that, file will get updated. Okay, or accept both the changes, right? Then both will be there, right? So we can do what? We can use accept incoming changes, right? And then we can save it. Again, we have to go here, okay? And then again, we have to do what? Once we did it, I have to put into a staging area and then I have to commit it, okay? Here, let's say I'll give 3-way merge. All right, done. Now, if I will check over here, git log. So what I have? I have, you can see, after version, this guy is having what? After version 4, okay, the main branch, okay, it do have version 5. It is having version 6 because version 5 and 6 is created in front end, okay. Then we create version 4a and version 4b and at the end 3-way merge, okay. So 3-way merge is having what? This one, the updated one, okay. The updated one, that is version 6, that is there. The version 6 came from what? From the front end. If you ever want to use version 4b, what you can do? You can do checkout. You can do what? Git checkout this guy, right? And if you check the git checkout, what? Front. So front is having what? Front is having only till version 6 over here. Okay, it is having version 6, but main is having what? After version 6, 4a, 4b, and then 3-way merge, right? So main is having all the front branch information as well as its own branch information, right? All the kind of a version it is having, right? So we can say the merge happened over here like this, right? Over here you can see over here like this. Okay, this thing goes over here. Okay, and here you can see the merge happened. Okay, so this is called 3-way merge. So when the merge happen, it doesn't mean that front will also have everything about main. No, okay, because we merged while we are present on the main branch. All right, so this helps us in kind of do properly CI/CD kind of a process, continuous integration and development. That's why merge is going to very important thing. We will use a lot of this this one. What is it? The Git. Okay, and the Git environment in our later on MLOps experiments and model tracking, model updation, and everything. So yeah, just go through the things properly, and then we can just go ahead with the next topic of the MLOps. Like probably we will start with a REST API or Flask model, Flask using Flask, deploying the model, creating the REST API and other things, right? Thanks for watching this video. We'll meet very soon. Have a great day ahead.